So, magbibigay tayo ng unsolicited advice doon sa mga nabigyan ng freeze order. At may mga steps yan. First, you identify the reason kung bakit na-freeze yung account mo. Tawagan mo yung bangko kasi susulatan ng AMLC yung bangko at sila ang magsasabing i-hold nyo itong account na to. Pag meron ng court order, yung freeze order ng AMLC ay mag-hold. So check the petition filed by the AMLC doon sa Court of Appeals. Pangalawa, you have to gather supporting documentation para ipakita na legitimate yung funds na nasa account. Proof of income, transactions, records, business permit. Kasi pag nasuspect na money laundering yung pera mo, lahat ng account mo ay kailangan mong patunayan na legal at legitimate ang source. Then, the third step is comply with regulatory requirements. Kailangan i-present mo yung mga IDs mo, business registrations, and other documents your bank will request. And apart from that, you will need certifications from the Bureau of Internal Revenue na ikaw ay nag-file ng tax returns, na meron kang tax clearances. And step 4 is kumuha ka ng abogado. Seek legal assistance because it is a necessity. No? Doon sa freeze order, pwedeng mag-file yung lawyer mo ng motion or petition with the Court of Appeals to lift the freeze order. Of course, kailangan may supporting documents that you are not engaged in any unlawful activity. Meron ding hearing doon, dapat present ka together with your lawyer. Yung court order on frozen assets, hindi pwedeng mag-isa mo lang ang nakikipag-tagisan doon sa Court of Appeals. Kailangan merong proper court pleading. No? Proper pleading to be filed again by your lawyer. Another step, step 5, is engage in a dialogue with your bank. Kailangan huwag kang magtago sa bangko mo. Kailangan pumunta ka sa bangko while litigation is ongoing kasi sila yung makaka-support fact na you have a legitimate account with legitimate transactions. Of course, you have to provide them yung mga appropriate documents. And step 6 is you have to be present sa mga hearings to show interest and to show innocence that yung freezing of your account, you are innocent of the charges in the freezing of your account. No? At of course, yung timeline yan, pagka-freeze ng account mo, you have 20 days or until 6 months to dispute yung freeze order.